Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching this video, that means you want to learn how to trick CapCut by bypassing all their pro features by just your mobile phone. With your mobile phone now, you can bypass CapCut Pro features. When I mean pro features, I mean all the whole features. Now you can now access all the whole CapCut features by just doing this simple trick that I'm about to teach you now. To use CapCut Pro features for free, we are going to be needing these three apps below. So we are going to be needing Edit. Edit, the new one that Meta released. Yes, the Edit that Meta released. We are going to be needing it, and we are going to be needing CapCut itself. And the last but not the least, we are going to be needing a screen record. Yes, if your phone doesn't have a screen recorder, you can go online or go to Google Play and download any quality screen recording features or any quality screen recording apps that are there. You can get it now on Google Play. And if you have these three things, stick around to this video so that by the end of this video you will learn how I bypass CapCut Pro features without spending a dime. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's just get on with the video, and I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass these restrictions. And you can see now here from the Pro version, you can see 9,900 naira for monthly subscription. This is definitely crazy. CapCut, this is definitely crazy. And 79,900 for us that are starters, that are just starting our YouTube channel, that is even crying, oh Lord, help us with the YouTube channel. We cannot possibly be paying that type huge amount of money for monthly subscription. So that's why you should stick around to the end of this video, so that by the end of this video you can also learn how I bypass my own restriction or my own pros while also using their pro version. So you are going to now edit this video with me, and we are going to be seeing I'm going to be using some features right here. So let's just try some of the features that are pro version. So let's start with the Ultra HD. So now you can see this is pro. You can see the optical flow is on pro. Actually, I'm going to make this video very short so that you can go ahead and try it with yours and see if it works for you. Now if you decide to put it on high rate, you can put it on high or recommended. So now we can even increase the frame rate. Very convenient. If you want to increase yours, you can use any of the pro version that you want there. For instance, let's just go for pro version, just see where pro versions are used. Yeah, let's just use, you see, all these stuffs here are pro version. You see, to generate a caption, you have to definitely use a pro version. So I'm going to select this pro version. Just like I said, I was going to make this very quick so that we can try it ourselves and see whether it works. So let's take, for instance, this pro version. Let's generate and see what comes out of it. So we're going to be using the generate pro version and other more pro versions as possible that we're going to be using. So you can see, because it's pro, I'm definitely using a lot of pro features. You can see down here, look at the pro features I'm using here. A lot of them, 1 2 3 4 5, that are the pro features that I am using right now. Currently speaking, that's the provisions that I'm using. So when you are done with your video, when you have used all the whole pro features that you want, this is when you can now do this trick that I'll be telling you guys. So this is when you can now slide down and screen record your video. You get, you will screen record your video. So after screen recording this video,
You can decide to screen record it like this now, like I'm screen recording it now. You can screen record it like this. After screen recording it, when you have your video done, after you have screen recorded everything, so what you need to do now is to close the CapCut. While you have closed the CapCut, your already screen record video is already in your files. So what you need to do now is to open edit. This is where edit comes in. Why I suggest you open this edit is because edit allows you to, you know, export the same video. It allows you to export your videos in 2K. Let's just select anyone we can see here. We can just select anyone. For instance, I'm assuming that these are the ones that have screen recorded from the CapCut. Then here I can decide to, you know, drag it and make it a little bigger. Or if you don't want to use edit, we can still head back, head back to the same CapCut that we screen recorded. For instance, start a new project and then tap the same screen record that you recorded earlier while using CapCut. Then you can easily put it there. One thing about editor and this CapCut now, why exporting now, that CapCut won't export yours in 2K, but edit can actually export yours in 2K. But now the differences between this now is that edit won't allow you to choose the frame you want yours to come out. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. For instance, now CapCut now, for example, now aspect ratio. For YouTube, you can see YouTube. For TikTok, you can see TikTok. And for Instagram, you can actually see their frame rate. All about this. So one thing about this is that it will help you to put your video in where it's supposed to be, put your video in order, and how you is supposed to place it. If it's the one you're supposed to bend like this, you can easily bend it like this and switch it. It will become a YouTube video and something like that. This is something that edit won't give you. Edit will just export it as it is. What you can only do on edit is to maximize it like this. For edit, let me show you. For example, you can see this here. I can't, if I move it like this, like now, for instance, if I move it like this, you can see the free space that is on top. I'm having a free space up and down. But if I do that here in CapCut, I am not having any space. I'm just having a full video. So this is the same thing now. You can now cut out all those parts you don't want while screen recording. Just like I said, you can now maximize it like this, or you can just turn it and make it a little bigger so that it can fit the screen and cut out all those parts that you don't want it to be in this video. So when you are done, you can just export your video, and then you'll be having an amazing used CapCut Pro features that is nice, smooth, and you'll be having a nice video here for you.
Guys, you need to try this trick now down below. Try it and tell me what you think. Was it worth it or was it not worth it? Leave a comment in the comment section so that I will know where to improve and the tricks I can give you and how you can do more with pro version without spending a dime. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. So without wasting much of your time, I would like you to click that like button, smash that subscribe button, and follow me up so that you will not miss any of my tricks that I have for you. Or if you are the type that are having issues with your Instagram or Facebook ad, or you want to learn ad, or you want to make more sales, then this channel is the channel for you, man. So what you need to do now is to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me for more videos like this. And yeah, I'm going to see you again next time.